Let's talk about the latest launched REALME smartphone C75 with ultra-slim design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.72 inches Full HD plus punch hole. Mini capsule 3.0 display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio. Approximately 91.40% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 392 ppi pixel density, 690 nits high. Brightness mode, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with armor shell glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with AI dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.8, along with auxiliary lens camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel centered punch hole front-facing camera with aperture 2.0, video recording. Maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of REALME UI 5.0. Screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core up to 2 GHz, powered by MediaTek Helio G92 Max, 12nm chipset, paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of RAM, with 16 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.69 by 76.22 by 7.99 mm, and it weighs around 196 grams, and the color options, Black Storm Night, Lightning Gold colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 4G, dual band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack, mono speaker with 400% ultra boom volume support, USB Type-C charging port, and with IP66, IP68, IP69 dust and water resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The REALME C75 has been priced in Vietnam for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 5,690,000 Vietnamese dong, while 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 6,490,000 Vietnamese dong, while 8 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 7,490,000 Vietnamese dong. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this REALME C75 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.